For everybody.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Double takedown.
Oh, bicep. Yes.
Nice.
आइए देखते हैं।
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential, it's deep inside of me. But they hate when you're successful cause they try to do it. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your past. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you make your money, make sure you don't spend it for food. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? These times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages, 5-10 year plans for the pages. I can crack that shit, I'm tenacious, and if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven. It's a game, I learned some lessons, and it's a game, I have no questions. Fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Double takedown.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, corner, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I'm back with the certainty. I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity. For everyone internally, I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one they fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're
End up takedown.
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be on the floor when you see it right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. That's me. What would you say? I'ma do it my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Double takedown. Triple takedown.
Good job. I keep the cane and I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man.
takedown.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.